Sa buhay po natin, a lot of realization. Sa book na to, makikita natin when it comes sa pag-secure at pag-iipon para sa ating future. Many people or good people fail. Even hardworking people fail. Mga matatalino, mga bata pa, even mga matatanda na, they fail sa kanila pong savings. Hindi po nila nagawang i-secure. And even OFW, idagdag ko po, even teachers at mga professionals, engineers and doctors, marami ang nag-fail. Many in fact, pag-retire po nila, wala po silang savings. So, anong nangyari? These people don't seek out to fail. They do because failed po sila sa pagpaplano at hindi po nila na-manage ang kanilang personal finances nung kalakasan pa po nila. Why? What is the great reason kung bakit nangyari ito? Because they lack financial education. Why? Because in Philippines, hindi po masyado nabibigyan ng halaga ang financial education. The government established yung pong pagtuturo, mga seminars ng financial education or financial literacy, hindi po pinapansin eh. No? Kaya talagang ang laki po ng trabaho natin bilang mga financial educator na ma-share natin ito. Buti na lang, meron po tayo nitong book na magagamit, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Now my question is, do you know how money works? Alam niyo po ba na sa ating buhay mayroong X-Chord concept? And this X-Chord concept, matutunan natin yung law of decreasing responsibility. O di ba? Meron din palang law of building wealth. Ano? And how money works? Nakikita natin that there is also a rule. You may need at least 10 times ng inyong income para properly maprotektahan ang ating family. And another, this 20 rule, you may need at least 20 times of your income para magkaroon ka ng enough money for your retirement. Napakahalaga po nito. And do you know the magic of compound interest? Here sa IMG, ituturo po namin ito. Ito pong mga suliraning ito, meron pong solusyon. At ang IMG po, the International Marketing Group, ay meron pong konkretong proseso na mailalatag upang matulungan ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino.